Are you stuck as the only owner of a Discord server and can't leave? Learn how to transfer ownership in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to transfer ownership, from opening settings to confirming with your email code. First, head to Discord and navigate to the server where you want to transfer ownership. Then, click on the server name at the top left to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Server Settings from that menu. In the settings, click on Members to see the member list. Find the person you want to make the new owner, then click the 3 dots next to their name. From the menu, choose Transfer Ownership. A warning will pop up explaining the consequences. Click Acknowledge to continue. Then click Transfer Ownership again to proceed. You'll need to enter the email verification code sent to your email. Finally, click Transfer Ownership one last time to complete the transfer. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.